Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, we guide you guys on how to make this simple 3D block. So let's get started. Let's work with the right plane. Let's dimension it. Our outer circle 80. Outer circle 70. Inner circle 60. Center rectangle. Let's dimension it 6. Center rectangle. (120). Thickness of 10. Let's add relation or click on my origin. Simply hold my control, click on this point, make it vertical. Also do the same for here, vertical. Now let's add dimension from here to here, which is 105. Simply drag here, down here. Okay, so we have this. Simply trim out here. Go to 3-point arc. Let me adjust this one a little bit downward. 3-point arc. Radius of 16. Let's dimension here to the origin 30. Also here to the origin 45. So we have this. Let's work with the top. Center rectangle. Simply adjust it upward. Let's dimension here 3. Let's add relation from this point to the origin. See vertical. Let's add dimension 32. So we have this. Let's add a construction line using a center line from our origin here, vertical line. So simply go to mirror entities to mirror, select on these lines, mirror about. It's my construction line here. So we have this. Now let's extrude. Go to features, extrude. Select on this contour. Let's extrude it 42. check here. 42. So we have this. Simply click on this drop down, click on my sketch, extrude, extrude. Give here a thickness of 5. Click on this sketch 1, extrude. Click on this contour, extrude it 6, reverse direction 6. Sketch 1, extrude. Let's select on this contour 28 in distance. So let's sketch on this face. Let's use a center line with a circle. Sketch dimension it 28 in diameter, 28. I'll select on this line and this point, make it tangent. Diameter of 12. Let's go to normal line, sketch from this point. Go to features, extruded cut. Now simply select on this contour and this inner contour. So we have this cut. Edit. Layer. So we have this cut. So let's sketch on this face. Diameter of 16. Center line. Dimension here to here. (21). Head to the origin, 45. So let's mirror this. Mirror about this line. Let's extrude cut through it. So we have this. Now let's add fillets. Fillet radius of 5. Now let's change the appearance. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.